Right, here we go again. Somewhat different today. We're at Eastington and I'm gone to a tractor run. I've never been on a tractor run before in my life. So we're going to have a go and just drive up round for Gloucester. Now what's it for?
For Ed.
Yes, but what charity?
I'm not sure.
Well, the thing with the sunflowers on my back, what does it say? Health and well-being, isn't it?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Anyhow, so here we are, and it's like Tractors Are Us. Go on, bail out. I'll get in there. Bail out. I just want to film the tractors. Oh, here, hold that. I'm going to stand on my bonnet. Right, here we go. Start of a tractor run. I've never done this before, so we'll see what happens. All the tractors with the flowers on in the signs are going off in front. So all of them, and then the rest of them will follow. Loads of all sorts. Big tractors, little tractors, new ones, old ones. There's old Massey over there, there's the old International Massey up there. Big Fendt, Cases, New Hollands, old Fords, John Deere's. There's old Cases up there, all sorts. Guys, that's tidy for a 19 plate, isn't it? Oh, there's some Valtras as well, I've seen. There's the police tractor. Organised chaos. Right, I'm getting down, alright?
Yeah.
Hold that then. Ugh. Well done. Oh, key. Need a key.
It's raising funds for everything. Sunflowers, I haven't come across that charity. But Sunflowers Rabbi.
Rabbi, yes,
yeah.
I know Rabbi. Do you know what that is?
Well, it's a JCB.
Yeah. It's JCB Fast Track
Is it?
in black.
And it goes fast.
Well, yes, I don't know whether it'll go that fast today because there's only as fast as the tractors. See that Ford over there?
Yeah.
Or is it New Holland? He's so say 500 horsepower.
Bloody hell.
Is he gonna go?
Come on then, let's get her going.
Well, he's waiting for this Fendt to go. Tractors Are
It's
Us.
amazing, isn't it? Really impressive. And they've got a big do on tonight as well and everything.
Yeah, I know they have. So I'm open. I'm going to do the tractor run, then come back, and then
You've got to go bail boarded, haven't you?
yeah, I'll probably do some bales. I don't know. See how I get on. Little old Fergie there.
God, that chucks out some smoke.
Try and wedge ourselves in somehow.
Yeah. Who's that?
I don't know, but he's being filmed.
Did you put my phone somewhere?
Yes, down here.
Cheers. Just want to see what sunflowers is. I don't know. I've never heard of that.
Some woman said to me, "Is something health and well-being or something like that." Look at the size of the tyres on that thing.
Yeah.
Look at the black
Yeah.
smoke out of that New
I know,
Holland.
I know.
There's all the... Did you say they got a band?
I don't know if they've got a band, but they've got music going on till late tonight.
Oh, have they? Music. Trailer load of beer. 4,000 points.
Is
That's what Will said.
Farmers do drink.
Yeah,
some
well, I
of them.
know, yeah.
Well, if you want to come up, Ed, and you want me to give you a
No,
little
I'm
coat-
busy
No, I know
strolling.
you are, but okay.
It would, well, if it was wet, I wouldn't mind, but I'd like to do a few bales today, but what
Yeah.
happens, happens. So,
Did Tom's get bailed? Tom Ray? Yesterday afternoon, because when I went past
Yes,
on the way
yes,
down,
yes.
was,
yeah,
was David.
yeah.
He's hiding.
Is he hiding? He hadn't noticed.
There's Heather at the vet. She asked, "Are you where the when we went down and that animal debollocked?"
Oh,
That we
yes, I
missed.
remember.
And there's Inez.
Oh, yes. All the vets, or some of the
Some
vets.
of the vets.
Look at the smoke. We just coming out,
guess
aren't
so.
we? Gosh, I've been left for dust.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're going to slow it up, aren't I? Look at the smoke coming out. At New Holland. Flipping out.
Oh my god. Should it smoke like that?
Well,
Oh, look, look.
it's been opened up, hasn't it? It's done something to it. Oh, she is smoky. Christ, is that ever normal?
Cool. Blimey, no.
Oh, I see what he's got. He got a little flipping old Fergie in front, slowing the job up. Fucking hell. Oh, we all going down the lane, are we?
Looks
Oh
like it.
no. I thought we was going straight on.
I think we'll go, I reckon we'll go through all the lanes and then come back out this way perhaps. I don't know. What do I know?
Exactly.
Which one is not Frampton Fair, is it?
It's on, the sign's up.
Yeah, no, I know. Today. Can you imagine it?
Oh, yeah, no, well, that would be clever to organise it
Well, that
today.
would be clever organising. I'm being trying to be funny.
Leave
Yes,
the funny,
all right, Ed,
leave the
funny
funny.
to you.
Yes,
Yes,
leave the
all
funny
right.
to me. You're not
I
good at it. Hey Siri, send a message to Jamie.
What would you like to say?
I think we're 8 miles,
Yes, about an hour. It'll be an hour.
8 miles away from back to start. Well, depending on traffic, yeah, 3/4 an hour to an hour. Send.
Okay, sending.
Oh, you're really missing your horn, aren't you, Ed?
Oh yeah, I love my horn. It's fucking knackered. I'm gonna have to get that sorted. I'm gonna get some air horns. Oh shit, I ain't got no
God.
air. Oh well, whatever. Can't see any more behind. We're bringing out the rear dog. Fucking
Last of
hell.
them.
How did we manage that? I didn't think there's that many in front of us.
I reckon we
Did anyone overtake us?
I don't know what's
Sorry.
happened. I don't know how that's happened, but we've taken on everybody on a detour anyway.
Who we got? He got a better horn than me.
He
I
has
hadn't
got a
even
better
got one.
horn. That's quite an old John Deere, isn't it?
Yeah, that's an old girl, that is. Yeah, we're being overtaken. Someone's in a hurry. He wants to go on YouTube.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Oh my God, what's that? We got fucking old cars.
That's what I wish was about still, was tractor pulls. Remember when we used to watch
There
them
is.
down there?
There's hundreds of them.
No.
Oh, you watch them 2 a penny on YouTube.
No, I mean in real life. We used to be able
Yeah.
to go to Aston Court, didn't we?
They're you. If you look for them, they're low. Okay, you might have to travel a little bit, but yeah, there's loads of them about. Where's me GoPro? He's still there. It's taking a while to get down here, isn't it?
It is. I did say to you it'd be a while, didn't I? Good, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, did you ring me?
Yeah, well, I tried. What are we, half an hour away
Yeah,
now?
we'll be there in 2.
Something like that, maybe. Oh, you son of a bitch.
What bells you got to get in as well?
Yes.
Oh dear.
Yes, it is oh fucking dear.
You should ask someone to borrow a trailer then.
Well, there's enough tractors. If they all stuck a trailer on, we'll be golden.
Well, you got the word out.
Yes, I'm gonna have to.
Shit as you break everything.
Yeah.
Alright, darling, I'll let you go.
All right. Okay, Jamie. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Are you turning it around?
Yeah. I wished I could beat. Beep, beep.
Yeah. That looks like Charlie's brother.
Is that Charlie's brother?
Charlie's got bread, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has too, yeah. Oh, he got his tractor back.
Oh, that's alright then.
He done a short, oh, it's running now by the looks of things. The lights are on. Go park fucking anywhere. I'll go park up here.
Yeah, makes sense to all coming together, doesn't it? There we go. All done.
Oh, fucking knackered.
Yeah.
Let's go have a mooch about
Yeah. Right,
and have something to drink. Hello then, how we doing? That was fun.
Emptied your bladder out or not?
No, I've managed to hold on to it all. We got a bottle full of something in there though. Don't drink it, whatever you do.
Oh,
That was good. Never done that before, look.
you never done a tractor run?
No, never done tractor run. That was quite fun. With some up for Gloucester and whatnot.
Yeah.
It's
A
good.
long old route. Well, it wasn't that long, but long enough. Wasn't it? Yeah.
I seen him.
Yeah, that's a bit of you, Ed. I can see you.
Yeah, very good. I don't know, bloody hell.
Where is she then?
Who's the vulture? There were some other 3 vultures, black
that's
ones.
Toddington Estate.
Is that?
Yeah.
All right. And who's the chap with
That's
the?
the one I like. That's a
He was in front of me.
That's a fucking animal.
It's 500 horsepower.
Yeah, how's he done that then? He don't use it working, do he, or
I think
what?
it's a tractor puller.
Oh, is it?
I don't know, but
Go ask him.
I will when he stops.
you see how the whole axle turns as well?
The whole axle turns.
If it is one of them, I think it is. The whole thing turns like that.
Does it?
Fuck me,
I
that thing
want one.
smells.
I know. You could see where he was by the clouds of smoke. How many was it? Do you know?
No idea yet. Be able to count up later on.
Let's go have a quick chat with Charlie. How we doing? How'd you get on?
Good.
Well done.
Made it all the way round.
Yes, well done. That's all right then. Yeah, it's fun. I've never done it before, and it was all right. Yeah, I never seen you at all.
You were about 8 or 9 tractors behind us. I
Uh,
think your lot left us for ages.
Well, someone took a wrong turn in. Someone took a wrong turn in,
And everyone followed.
and luckily Dawn spotted a woman waving down a road. So we went up round Dolby's. Is it Dolby's? Yeah, garden centre.
Yeah.
I turned in there and then went back and took the right route.
You got lost at Airsfield.
Yeah, so that's what happened. Yeah, so it's all right. It's all good fun. But never mind.
Yeah.
Hey,
On the roundabout back.
did you drive tractor?
Yeah, that's my tractor.
Oh, you drove that one, did you?
That's what I drive.
Bloody hell.
716. Got all polished up.
Yeah, well done. You'll have to come and do mine. Mine's a lot shittier than that.
See
Ah,
yourself in it.
ah, well done. Is it your own tractor who you work for?
Who I work for, yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Dan Ross.
Oh, right. I've heard that name. Yeah.
Everyone's heard that.
Yes. Yeah.
He's very
Yeah.
popular.
Yeah. Very popular. Yeah. He likes his fence, doesn't he?
Yeah. Well, Ken does.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah. Ah.
720, 74.
What's this one?
716.
716. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Smaller frame than like 7,
Yeah.
74.
Is that a 4-cylinder or 6?
cylinder, but
Yeah.
smaller frame.
Oh, is that?
It's quite good in the traders because of how small it is. But
Yeah.
You don't really have the weight, I suppose. But
Right. Okay.
got plenty of
Nice
power.
tractor. Yeah.
Nice tractor, yeah.
Yeah.
Grain trailer, bell carton.
50k or is
55.
it 55? Is
Yeah.
it? So what's that in miles an hour?
I think it's like 32, 35 or something like that.
Yeah.
Don't know.
Don't know. Fast enough.
Fast enough, yeah.
Yeah. Well done. That's all right then. It's nice and clean. Bloody hell. It's spotless. How old is it?
I think it's 14 plates, 10 years old,
All right.
7,000 hours.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. Well, ain't too bad, is it?
No. Yeah, not a bad tractor to be driving. Very happy on it.
Is that your tractor? Do you stick to your own tractors or you jump on
Well-
all sorts?
Some people have their own tractors, but it's not my tractor that I drive all the time. Sort of share it.
Right.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Boots off in the cab. Look after it.
Gosh, there's still flipping loads rolling in, isn't there?
Yeah, I don't know how many there is, but
No, I know. I'd like to know that.
yeah.
Everyone stood around having a chinwag. Right, I'm gonna go find me a drink. See you later. See you later, Charlie. Ta-la. Still loads of tractors rolling in. 8630 there. 7710. TW25. Hello then. How we doing?
I'm alright, you okay?
Yes.
Good.
Got a bit of a flat ass
Yeah,
because we
yeah.
sat down for so long. Yeah. Just watching all the tractors come back in.
nice t-shirts, aren't they?
They are, yeah, they're not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all.
Who are you talking to, Charlie?
Just went and seen Charlie, and it's a young lad works with Dan Moss.
Oh yeah. Oh,
In-
Caleb, yeah.
Yeah, in the fen.
Brilliant, isn't it? Look at it all.
So
The vultures are parked up over the far end.
yeah, I know, I see them. Yeah. Right, so still loads coming in, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's going to park a bit closer.
So what's going on tonight then? Is it
Yeah, barbecue and a band
yeah.
Bit messy.
taxi service possibly.
Right.
Who knows? The bullets not sleep in the head within the next hour. Yeah.
Might be a good idea to do that.
Right. Yeah.
Won't leave, will he? They want to stay.
Oh, Porsche.
There he is, officer.
Did he do the tractor run?
Yeah, he did it.
He drove around as well.
Oh, he did it as
Oh,
well.
he's got his tag axle up. I said, well, lift that axle up, mate. You'll wear your tyres out. He went out with Emma.
Right.
Oh, yes. Yeah, so he had the treatment as well.
Did he too?
Wheelers, yeah, we're Wheeler. Another William. Where's the value of what
Oh, I
he's got?
know, Rosemary. Yeah,
Yeah.
it would be. Have you seen the bloke with that forward that little smoke?
Yes. Well, I've seen him.
I don't know, Eddie was trying to tell me.
No, I expect he's put bigger pumps and injectors and all sorts of things in it. So, yeah, just chuck a load of fuel in and it makes a lot of smoke. Anyhow, it's Ed Jones at a tractor run. All these tractors are still rolling in. Signing off for today. Bye. Oh, I see what he's got. He's got a little flipping old Fergie in front, slowing the job up. Okay, now.